Okay folks, this is a bazaar in South Africa. So this is the church. Let's show you the steeple. There we go. And it's a Friday night. It's early spring, early September, and just the perfect time. So you can see they've got the barbecue stuff out there, waffles. You don't know what the waffles look like, but I gotta show you the waffle situation. Okay, waffles. Well, no, jaffles, sorry, not waffles, jaffles. That's a typical South African thing, and then they put nice goodies in them, and there they go. Make them, and all kinds of fun stuff. Let me show you some other things. And there's some, this is a curry, rice and curry dish. And there's the desserts coming up here. I've definitely got to show you the desserts a little bit. Check it out. Smile. Okay. And this is the sodas. And they've got a jumping castle out there. So check out the funny sodas they got. Get a scene here. Any case. Okay, here's another little corn dog deal. And you can play a little chess, but I guess they're done with that for the night. And okay. Now, let's go check out the pancake thing. Now, pancakes here is like crepes in America. So, here you buy your crepes and check the cinnamon sugar. There you go. That is nice. And you get your coffee back there. So, a whole fun experience. Nice little jovial deal here. And people having fun. Okay, hope you enjoy.